Halloween. Mom, look at this.
Oh. Can you tell me about this picture?
Okay.
What is that?
That's when That's when we're going on an airplane to Bella's.
Oh. Who's on the airplane?
This is the guy that drives. This is the girl that drives it. This is me. This is me. This is you. This is me. This is Emily.
Who?
Emily, and this is Jessica. This is Aiden. This is
Are you looking forward to seeing your friend Bella?
Bella. This is her mom.
What's her mom's name?
Natalie.
Are you looking forward to seeing Natalie? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And Ziva?
Yeah.
And Gil?
She's so cute.
Isn't she though?
Yeah.
Can you say hi? Hi, Bella.
Hi, Bella.
Can't wait to see you.
Can't wait to see you.
Can you look at me when you say that?
I'm sick.
You don't look sick.
I'm sick.
Oh, really?
I have asthma.
No, you don't have asthma.
What do I have?
Pneumonia.
I have pneumonia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You seem so sick.
I have pneumonia.
In pneumonia?
1 minute, Mom. Stop that. Okay, Mom. Are you sending that to her?
I'm gonna.
I'm gonna.
All right, dude.
Alright, dude. Can I see it?